Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. My name is Muhammad Asrafi bin Muslim. I am from University Technology Mara, PhD student. Now I am presenting my innovation in STEM Innovation Competition 2023, and my title is Truck Body Panel Composite Filled with Nano Silica. This is my suggestion name for this project. The logo. My research objective is one, to evaluate the effect of fiber on physical and mechanical properties of new composite, and then to analyze the effect of nano silica, and then to investigate the surface morphology and fracture mechanism, and to compare the mechanical properties for new development composite with conventional industrial composite. This is the background for the problem statement. Granite waste is abundantly have right now in this world. It is increasing yearly to yearly. So from the granite waste, we want to extract the nano silica. That nano silica properties is have to enhance the properties of the composite. So we combine with the basalt fiber. Basalt fiber is a volcanic rock that can make them suitable for lightweight composite. So we can change the basalt from the glass fiber right now available. So this basalt rock also, the properties is same and higher with glass fiber. So we want to develop a new composite that basalt fiber combined with nano silica resin and applied in the for composite truck body. So the UiTM have MOU with Carbon Tech Global Company berhad at Sungai Choh, Rawang. And then this is the summary and research methodology. We mix the nano silica in the resin, mix stirrer for 120 minutes, and then doing the hand layout and vacuum silicone mold to remove the air trap bubbles. This vacuum silicone mold is actually this industrial practice. So we bring the industrial scale, not to lab scale. And then after the new composite is cured, so we do the testing for physical testing, mechanical testing, and characterization. And for commercialization potential, we support the SDG 9, 11, and 12. And target group is for composite manufacturing industry, granite quarry industry, automotive parts industry, and also construction. We have industrial partnership with CTG, Carbon Tech Global Silverhat at Sungai Choh, vendor for Tanjong Motor for automotive parts such as bumper accessories, and also manufactured the delivery box for motorcycle. So we hope that this can be successful for this commercialization. And for research benefit to society, community, and country, so we have trade balance improvement. So no more export, no more import from the outside, and boosting local industries for KDNK GDP and human capital development, inspiring for the research, encouraging sustainable material use, environmental benefit, economic growth, and so on. And for the scientific discovery, this panel, actually this is the panel that we have produced, and then we have mock-up here for the truck body. And then when we compare to the conventional industrial CTG, for the energy absorbed, for the normal, for the unmodified, we have 278%. If we include the nano silica, there is 303% energy absorbed, the differences. And for the impact strength, the differences is 208%, increasing from the CTG. And if we add nano silica, it almost to 396% for the impact strength. So for the remarkable result testing with percentage more than 300, it's compared to the industrial sample. So we can change from metal to composite, heavy to lightweight, and we can utilizing waste material, waste to wealth, and synthetic to natural, and we use the vacuum bagging to vacuum silicon mold. So this is all the scientific discovery. So also we have registered to copyright reference number LY2 2023 W03046, and also have silver medal at IRISE 2023. And also we have MOU with Carbon Tech Global. So for this research also have more than 4 publications that published in the journal. So for the conclusion, this material is suitable for truck body and support the SDG. Thank you very much.